Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some handmade card ideas that I made with the July Papercraft Society card making kit. This is my very first card making kit from the Papercraft Society. It is the July 2020 card making kit, and it was put together by designer Sam Calcott. You may subscribe to the Papercraft Society card making kits by following the link that you'll find in the description area of this video. You may subscribe on a month-to-month basis, like you can subscribe for a 3-month subscription and that will save you 5%, or you can subscribe for a yearly subscription and that will save you 25%. And whether you're a beginner card maker or a paper crafting pro, you're going to find that this subscription box has something for everybody. Upon opening the trifold, I came across some papers. They were very happy and colorful papers, and I came across some stamps and most importantly, dies that match these stamps. Plus, I also came across some specialty papers, and I love to work with specialty papers. And the dies, oh my gosh, you get so many different dies to work with, and you will see that I was able to make a couple of different projects in addition to cards just from the dies in this kit. Unboxing my Papercraft Society card making kit was like Christmas. You come across some literature, you come across more card making supplies as well as card making ideas. This month's kit also comes with coloring pencils, enough sequins to make several shaker cards, a bright yellow trim, a color wheel. You'll also come across the Papercraft Society magazine, and in this magazine you're going to learn a little bit more about the designer. This month it will be Sam Calcott, and you will also find some card making ideas from this kit. Included in this kit, you'll also come across some cardstock. These are fun colors, and oh my gosh, I've never seen colors so brilliant and vibrant, and yeah, you can't help but smile when you see these colors. So for my first card, I decided on a shaker card. Now the acetate and the white cardstock is from my stash, but everything else that you see here is from the Papercraft Society card making kit. Now for this card, I wanted to play with the vibrancy of the colors. I wanted to make them even more vibrant. So what I did was I glued a piece of acetate from my stash directly on top of the paper, and to hide those glue dots, I glued the yay, yay, yay right on top of it. What I loved about this card making kit, in addition to all the fun and vibrant colors, is that they provide you with the dies for the stamps. I love it when I don't have to fussy cut. So I have a new favorite tag die, and it's the tag that was provided in this kit. I decided to make this pretty tag. I used my papers from Heartfelt Creations, and I used my stamp and other dies from this kit. And last but not least, I made a slider card with the slider dies provided in this kit. I hope that you've enjoyed my card making ideas from the Papercraft Society card making kit for the month of July 2020. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye now.